guys, here's the continuation of our video. So here's our Tia, and this is their house. That's the one that we slept last night. And they have a good ambience here. And here's our handsome Tio. Tio Victor, yes. And this is their house. They have beautiful surroundings. The ambience is good, not just like in Pinian, it's very polluted already. Look, there are many trees. Uh-huh. About, ano di it, guys? We're walking. We are planning to walk to the stream. Are we going to the stream? So there are many ways here. One to the right and one to the left. The way to the left is going outside. And this one. And we are going to the stream, guys. Look. Here is it. Uh-huh. So guys, I'm here in the stream. And look, there's a free flowing of water. And how they can call that?
Natural.
Natural what? Naiinom ba yan?
Yan.
Oh, they can drink this. It's very clean. It's very natural. Look. Wow. Wow. So, unlike sa atin, the gripo, you cannot drink the water from the gripo. The faucet, the water from the faucet is very dirty nowadays. But here, this free flowing of water is very pure. You can drink this. Look, I miss this place. Look, ayan na. Ayan, I'm brother-in-law enjoying swimming. Nakakamiss lang yung ganito because, we don't have like this in the city. Yes! It's very refreshing. So, ayun guys. We are going up now. Wow, my leg is fainting. Look, it's the way up. Aray ko, sumakat yung biti ko.
Ang bata pa sumakit sa biti.
Eto na, at umalis na sila. Ayan, guys. Okay.
Bata pa lumatutok na po to.
Ay, saan ba daan?
Ayun, andun yung stepin mo sa may bukal.
Ayan, okay
Ay,
guys.
yung brown. Ayun, balat.
Grabe, ang
Balat sinuyas.
taas. Oh. Ow! So that's it, guys. Here's Chris Cat. He did not try to get down. He didn't see the free flowing of water where they can drink it. Look, can you hear me? I'm panting. I'm panting. Guys, ito oh, ang ganda ng ito yung papayahan. Nakakatawa yung papaya, ang daming bunga oh. Ayan. Sa mga tiyo-tiyo namin yan. Kita nyo? It's their crop. Yes, ang dami. Okay. Maglalakad po kami. Naiwan po kami. Papunta po kami cemetery. So, ayan po ang papayahan. Papaya plantation. Hoy, tama ba yung daan natin? So, ayan guys. Namit ko talaga dito maglakad. Kahit nakakahinga, pero yung kanina, papaya plantation. Ito naman eggplant po. This is eggplant plantation. Natuyo lang siya. Yan guys. So, where is it? Alam niyo ba? Siguro mga 3 kilometro ang labasan na ito. Ito, ganito kakaba. Kita dito guys, pero ang dami yung nanlikod pa.
I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here.